And I'm here to tell you, church, that God, Marlena, is not impressed with how hard we swing if what we are swinging with no longer has an edge. And sometimes he allows a slip just to make us stop long enough to realize we have been working without power. We've been working and we stopped praying. Come on. We've been working and we stopped getting on our knees, Mother Taylor, and praying, getting in our prayer closet and seeking his face. I don't have no help in here. You can come to church every week, serve every week, and still not understand the presence of God when he's trying to shift you.